Discuss problem number 10.13. The problem states turning moment area for the revolution of a multi-cylinder engine with reference to the mean turning moment in square centimeter are minus 0.32, plus 4.08, minus 2.67, 3.33, minus 3.1, 2.26, minus 3.74 plus 2.74, minus 2.58. These are the areas of the turning moment or torque. The scales for the ordinate and abscissa are 1 centimeter is equal to 14 degree, 1 centimeter equal to 600 Newton meter. The mean speed is 200 rpm with 1.5% fluctuation. Hoop strips in the rim metal is not to exceed 56 bar. Calculate diameter and X section of rim of the flywheel. Neglect the effect of bars and arms. Density of the material is 0.0672 kg per centimeter cube. তো ইয়াতো প্ৰবলেমটো দিয়া আছে এইবিলাক হ'ল -0.32 প্লাছ 4.08 দিজ আৰ দ্য এৰিয়াছ এইবিলাক হ'ল এৰিয়া ইহঁতৰ এৰিয়া বুজাই আছে স্কুৱেৰ চেণ্টিমিটাৰ স্কুৱেৰত আছে এৰিয়া বুজাই আছে চেণ্টিমিটাৰ স্কুৱেৰ ফিগাৰটোত তোমালোকে দেখিবা ইফ ইউ সি দ্য ফিগাৰ দিছ ইজ টাৰ্ণিং মুভমেণ্ট এগেইনষ্ট ক্ৰেংক এংগল চ' দিজ আৰ লাইক areas for particular crank angles. Now given data, let us write the given data. Density equal to 0.0672 kg per centimeter. You can convert it to meter cube also, kg per meter cube also. Now angular velocity is twice by n by 60. N value is given, it is 200 rpm. You calculate it, it is 20.93 radian per second. Now hoop stress. Now hoop stress is represented here by small f. So sometimes it may be represented by sigma, but here it is represented by small f. It is 56 bar. 56 bar is 56 into 10 to 5 Newton per meter. So unit conversion to you have to remember. Unit conversion to important no, to remember. Fluctuation of speed. Coefficient of fluctuation of speed is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by omega. It is written in terms of angular velocity. If you can write in terms of rpm also, n1 minus n2 divided by n1 minus n2 is a maximum minus minimum speed, that is fluctuation of speed, and n will be mean speed. So তেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰে যে n accord in the problem the mean speed is 200 rpm with 1.5% fluctuation. So in the problem it is written like this, the language is like this. So you can consider that 1.5% of the mean speed, the fluctuation of speed is 1.5% of the mean speed, so it will be 1.5%. So if you so it will be 1.5 divided by 100, so this mass will be the CF. Turning moment scale 1 centimeter is equal to 600 Newton meter. Now মানে কি এইখিনি স্কেলখিনি দিয়া আছে 1 centimeter equal to 14 degree. You have to convert it to radian. So if you want to convert it to radian, then you have to multiply it by 180, then it will be 0.24 radian. মানে x axis 1 centimeter represent কৰি আছে 14 degree. যদি তুমি টাৰ্ণিং মুভমেণ্ট ডায়াগ্ৰামটো চোৱা, if you see the turning moment diagram in x axis 1 centimeter representing the 14 degree of the crank angle. 1 centimeter distance 14 degree বুজাই আছে crank angle. So and y axis 1 centimeter 600 Newton meter torque to বুজাই আছে কিমান torque জেনেৰেট হৈছে 6000 Newton meter in y axis. So 1 centimeter square, for if I multiply 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 600 Newton meter, 6000 Newton meter into 1 centimeter represented in x-axis by 0.244 radian, then it will be ultimately 1 centimeter square is representing 1465.33 Newton meter. So this mass. Now we have to find out the energy at different points. Now a area like dia ase je minus 0.32 plus 4.08 এই এৰিয়াখিনি আমি ড্ৰ কৰিলে টাৰ্নিং মোমেণ্ট ডায়াগ্ৰামত এইটো মাল্টি চিলিণ্ডাৰ ইঞ্জিন হয় দিছ ইজ এ মাল্টি চিলিণ্ডাৰ ইঞ্জিন চ' ইউ ষ্টাৰ্ট ফ্ৰম পইণ্ট এ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰিব লাগিব এট ফাৰ্ষ্ট পইণ্ট ইট ইজ মাইনাছ 0.32 চ' মাইনাছ 0.32 হ'লে লুপটো এক্স এক্সিছৰ তলত যাব চ' দিছ ইজ টু ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্ট মাইনাছ 0.32 and in the second one is the 4.08 so it is positive so B pura C le the positive loop over that will represented by 4.08 again C to D that is minus 2.67 so it will come below the x-axis so teneke we have to draw all the loops positive por jikhini dia ase x axis or uporot thakibo positive loop banabo lagibo and negative jikhini ase x axis or downward dibo lagibo so this way you check in the figure in the problem you will find that this figure will be like this enake akibo lagibo negative loop hole x axis or to tolot jabo positive hole x axis or upor jabo then a b c d e f point kita di jabo lagibo figure dia now let us consider energy at point A is capital E আমি consider করিলো let us consider যে energy at point A E হয় energy energy at point B will be E minus 0.32 at point B উলিয়াবৰ কাৰণে energy at point A plus energy at point B that is minus 0.32 similarly energy at point C will be E minus 0.32 plus 4.08 similarly energy at point D gradually increase this way the energy will be increased so you find energy for all the points A B C D E Z H J K L like this all the points now energy at point A should be equal to energy at point L mane if you add all the things at point L this should be equal to energy at point A energy at point A should be equal to energy at point L jodi etu nahe then you are having some mathematical mistake in your calculation check that one it will be always energy at point A will be always equal to energy at point L mane last point or first point last point and the first point energy will be same now if it is not coming then you are having some problem you check it one again now again you have to find because the A to A karne hai this energy at point A becomes equal to energy at point L because the engine is operating in a cycle so from A to L one cycle will be completed so from L again A point will start for the next cycle so that is why energy at point should be equal to energy at point L now you have to find out the maximum energy out of these points A B C D E F G K ase you will have a highest maximum energy at some point let us say yet by calculation you have got that energy stored at point F is EF equal to E plus 4.42 minimum energy similarly you will get minimum energy minimum value for energy minimum energy stored at point B here is EB equal to E minus 0.32 so maximum energy you are having at point F minimum energy you are having at point B so these are the points So what will be the maximum fluctuation of energy? Maximum fluctuation of energy is maximum minus minimum energy. So EF minus EB will give you a maximum fluctuation energy EF, that is equal to 4.74 centimeter square. These are in centimeter square, so you have to write centimeter square as unit. Now you have to convert this centimeter square into Newton meter. According to previous calculation, 1 centimeter square is equal to 1465.33 Newton meter. So that is why you have to multiply 4.74 with this term, 1465.33 Newton meter. Already we have calculated, so this will be 6945.66 Newton meter. Next, we have to find the mean energy stored in the flywheel. How will you find mean energy stored in the flywheel? You have to calculate E and from the expression EF equal to twice E CF. Now EF is we have already calculated EF, and CF is already known. By putting all these things, we can find out mean energy stored in the flywheel. So this will be 231522 Newton meter. Diameter of the flywheel ring. What will be the diameter of the flywheel ring? Next we have to find out the diameter of the flywheel ring. So density is given. So density is 0.0672 kg per centimeter cube. Convert it to kg per meter cube. So it will be ultimately 67200 kg per meter cube. Already we know this formula. Hoop stress is equal to density into V square, and V equal to stress divided by the root over of stress divided by density. This one you know. So put the value of stress. This is should not according to problem, it is 56 bar. Write this in terms of Newton per meter square. Then density in density in kg per meter cube. So putting all these things, you will get the velocity as 9.13 meter per second. This is the velocity of the flywheel. This is the linear velocity. If you are having a linear, if you have calculated linear velocity, you can easily calculate the mean diameter of the flywheel. How will you find mean diameter? V is given by pi dn by 60. Now n is known, mean speed 200, and 60 is 60. Pi value is already known. You can and also this one V value is you have calculated. So easily you can calculate the diameter of the mean diameter of the flywheel. It will be 0.872 meter. And if you remember mass of the flywheel, what will be the mass of the flywheel? Volume into density, and it is given by equal to pi dA into density. So this is the formula. And how will you find the mass? You can also find the mass by this way also. Mean energy is equal to half mv square. Half mv square, that is 2 E divided by v square equal to m. So you can calculate the value of m. If you know the value of m, you can easily calculate the cross section area from this formula, m equal to pi dA rho. And then you can get the cross section area of the flywheel. So this is 0.03 meter square. Thank you.